and they're up. We've got a scramble for front position. Fleetwood now shows alertness. Then moving up in between runners is Leon Face. When moving up by the Relay Storm. So it's you now rushing up to take the lead with So it's you. Takes the lead over Leon Face in second. Racing in third, Ice Storm Fleetwood. Then comes Backyard B-Boy. Next in line is entry number 4, Emergency Call. And trailing the group is War Alert as they rounded the last 600. So it's you by about 4 lengths. Leon Face now running in second and racing in third on the outside. Fleetwood as they turn bottom. So it's you. Leon Face now in second, running on the outside. Fleetwood, Backyard B-Boy by the rail, and down the stretch they come. So it's you. Leon Face, Fleetwood by the rail. We have So it's you. Leon Face, Fleetwood running by the rail and leading the finish line. Fleetwood winning this race over Leon Face. So it's you. Backyard B-Boy took fourth. Then comes Ice Storm.
6315. Parang naapura yung uno, masyado magang lusob.